Welcome to AI Brief. I'm Amin.
And I'm Aaliyah.
This is episode 126, and today we're digging into some really interesting updates in the AI space.
That's right. We've got the, unexpected personality of OpenAI's new GPT-4o.
Plus a pretty significant open weight release from Alibaba, Qwen3.
And we'll look at how ChatGPT is becoming more of a, maybe, shopping assistant.
Let's jump right in with GPT-4o. OpenAI rolled out this update, and people noticed something a bit odd.
Yeah, it wasn't just users. Sam Altman himself commented. The model seemed, overly flattering, agreeing with things maybe it shouldn't.
He apparently used words like annoying and sycophanty,
Mm-hmm.
which, raises questions.
Yeah, it really does. How do you make an AI helpful and nice to interact with without it just sort of agreeing with everything?
Altman even floated the idea of needing different AI personalities down the line. Seems complex.
OpenAI did push out a quick fix. They called it reducing glazing behavior. More updates are planned.
It highlights that balancing act, doesn't it? User satisfaction versus, well, truthfulness and responsibility. Especially now, we rely on these things more.
Exactly. You don't want an AI just validating bad information because it's trying to be agreeable.
Okay, let's shift over to Alibaba. Their Qwen AI lab has released Qwen3. That's a whole family of 8 models.
And crucially, they're open weight. The big one, Qwen3 235B, is apparently holding its own against giants like OpenAI's latest Grok 3 DeepSeek, on benchmarks anyway.
What's interesting is this hybrid thinking system they've built in.
Right, so it can supposedly switch between deep reasoning for tough questions and quicker answers for simpler stuff, plus better coding, agent skills, and support for 119 languages.
And releasing 8 models, from 600 million parameters up to that huge 235 billion one.
All under an Apache 2.0 license. That means the weights, the core stuff, are public.
You can find them on Hugging Face, ready to be used locally or in the cloud. It's a big deal for open source.
It definitely signals how fast China's AI scene is moving, and, it pushes open source capabilities much closer to the leading proprietary models. We'll see how that shakes out.
Speaking of shaking things out, ChatGPT Search is getting into e-commerce more seriously.
Yeah, OpenAI added new shopping features. Think AI-driven product suggestions, comparing items visually, that kind of thing.
So you can just ask for what you want, like find me a blue running jacket under $100, and it gives you options.
Apparently, yeah. With images, price comparisons, even summaries of reviews, all inside ChatGPT.
And they're saying, for now at least, it's all organic results. No paid placements influencing things.
Plus, for paid users, they'll soon use the memory feature. So ChatGPT remembers past chats to give you more personalized shopping ideas.
The search update also brings in WhatsApp integration, better citations.
And that Google-style autocomplete we're all used to, it really feels like LLMs could become central to how we find and buy stuff online.
Okay, quick detour. A new startup, P1AI, just came out of stealth.
Right, with $23 million in seed funding. Founded by some heavy hitters, ex-Airbus CTO, a DeepMind alum.
Their goal is pretty wild.
Yeah.
Using AI to build physical things. They have an agent called Archie.
The idea is it's like those AI coding agents, Devin or Windsurf, but for, say, designing HVAC systems or data centers. Tangible stuff.
And their long-term vision is ambitious. AI designing spaceships, maybe even Dyson spheres eventually. Wow.
Definitely one to watch. Shows AI moving beyond just digital tasks.
And Anthropic also released a study. They looked at 500,000 interactions with a Claude for coding help.
Yeah, some interesting patterns emerged, like about half the users asked Claude to just do the task.
And for Claude Code, their specialized version, that jumped to almost 80%. People seem willing to hand over whole projects if the AI can handle it.
Also, the languages used were mostly front-end stuff, JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, CSS. Less for back-end infrastructure.
Might mean back-end developers are perhaps less immediately impacted. For now, anyway.
And startups were using it way more than big enterprise companies. Suggests startups are quicker to adopt these new tools.
Makes sense. Okay, let's run through some other quick hits making waves.
Sounds good. Figure AI and UPS might partner up, using humanoids in logistics.
Duolingo CEO said the company is now AI first, using AI in hiring, performance reviews, training.
Following Shopify's lead there? Also, Cisco launched Foundation AI for cybersecurity models, planning to open source them.
Luma Labs opened up an API for their Ray 2 camera concepts, bringing AI video tools into other apps.
Higgsfield AI has a fun one. Iconic scenes. Recreate movie scenes with your selfie.
Perplexity's CEO announced WhatsApp integration is coming for their search engine, too.
And Instagram's AI video app, Edits, apparently hit 7 million downloads super fast.
There's also Nescale, a London startup reportedly trying to raise $2.7 billion for AI data centers globally.
And IBM's committing $150 billion in the U.S. over 5 years, with a chunk going to quantum and AI-focused mainframes. Lots happening.
Definitely. And quickly, some trending AI tools you might want to check out.
Baidu's Ernie 4.5 Turbo and X1 Turbo, new fast, affordable LLMs.
OpenAI Deep Research, a lighter version using a 4 Mini.
Moonshot AI's Kimi Audio new open-source audio model, apparently state-of-the-art.
Lane 2.0 for next-level AI video and image generation.
Base 44 turns ideas into products quickly, no code needed.
An AI influencer marketing team tool.
Jace AI drafts email replies for you, mimicking your style.
EverTutor is an adaptive AI voice tutor.
And OpenAI's O3 and A4 mini models now have full tool access.
Okay, that wraps up our deep dive for this episode.
We hope you found these updates useful and maybe a bit thought-provoking.
Yeah, definitely think about that AI personality thing. If AIs develop distinct characters, how does that change how you interact with technology every day? Something to consider.
Absolutely. And please don't forget to follow and share AI Brief so you can stay up to date with everything happening in this, well, incredibly fast-moving world of AI.